Welcome to Project Travel, and our top 5 Laguna Beach Vacation Stays. Project Travel is the modern travel agent. As always, we strive to show you a healthy mix of places to stay, from inexpensive and boutique, to amenitized architectural marvels that will command a high nightly rate. Starting with our cheaper option on the list, we begin with number 5. Although it's the cheapest on the list, the Capri Laguna is still a beautiful stay. Sitting just 1 mile from the Laguna Art Museum, this beachfront hotel features a sparkling year-round pool, and a terrace complete with lounge chairs. All guest rooms include free Wi-Fi. Featuring numerous amenities, an excellent location, and thoughtfully designed rooms, each comfortably furnished room at Capri Laguna on the beach includes bathroom amenities and plush bedding. Select rooms also have a balcony with an ocean view. Up next is number 4, a beautiful boutique hotel at a mid-tier price. A petite resort nestled above Shores Cove, Hotel Joaquin is a gem hidden in plain sight along the Pacific's rich coastline. Marrying the breezy spirit of a faraway island escape with the pioneering soul of California's first Spanish settlers, disconnect from the ordinary and rediscover the indulgence of your innate senses. Individually designed rooms are equal parts chic and playful with one-of-a-kind vintage pieces, customized furniture and curated artwork. Luxurious bathrooms feature monolithic imported stone offset by glinting solid brass fixtures. Hand-cut and crafted tile pays homage the timeless work of coastal craftsmen. Sliding in at number 3 is a beautiful hotel with a mid-tier price. Located in the Aliso and Wood Canyons, this 87-acre property offers 360-degree views, an outdoor heated pool, spa treatments, a sand volleyball court, and a 9-hole golf course. Each accommodations includes free Wi-Fi. Family-friendly activities can be enjoyed at Aliso Beach, which is only a few miles from the property. Guests can also enjoy nearby surfing, kayaking, snorkeling, and whale and dolphin watching. Mountain biking and hiking opportunities are also offered nearby. Free valet and self-parking is provided for guests. A 24-hour fitness center is available to guests. Harvest Restaurant specializes in California cuisine and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Guests can also enjoy drinks at the bar. In-room dining allows guests to enjoy food and drinks from the comfort of their room, and the pond pool bar allows guests to soak up the sun while enjoying food and drinks poolside. The next property almost landed at number 1, and it'll certainly put a dent in your wallet. Here's number 2. Located directly on 500 feet of California's pristine Laguna Beach coastline, Surf and Sand Resort offers private oceanfront balconies, exquisite coastal dining, an award-winning spa and more. From those looking for a family adventure to couples and friends seeking a pure relaxing getaway, Surf and Sand Resort has you covered. Surf and Sand offers 167 beachfront guest rooms, including 13 Laguna Beach suites, all of which feature stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and private balconies. Surf and Sand Laguna Beach Hotel is the perfect getaway for couples and families alike. And finally we land at our #1 recommended stay, and also one of the most expensive options on our list. If you're looking for an unforgettable trip, with all the bells and whistles, look no further than #1. Perched on a coastal bluff above the Pacific, Montage Laguna Beach welcomes guests into the heart of Southern California's preeminent artist colony. Spanning 30 acres, the beachfront sanctuary features 2 outdoor pool decks, a 20,000 square foot spa and 3 signature restaurants with spectacular views of the California coast. Recently remodeled, with sweeping views of the ocean, the Montage's Laguna Beach guest rooms blend coastal influences with vibrant, modern design, and curated details. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure or cultural immersion, experience the best of Laguna Beach from the comforts of this amazing elegant oceanfront retreat. This concludes Project Travel's Top 5 Vacation Stays. Here is a full recap of the properties we covered. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.